How to send camera roll pictures as snaps on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can send camera roll pictures as snaps on Snapchat. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So if you want to send your camera roll pictures as snaps on Snapchat, you can first open up your Snapchat. After you open up your Snapchat, there you'll find a filter called Media Upload. This one right here. If you don't find it, tap on the search bar on the bottom right here. And now you can search for different filter from where you can find media, and you can find different versions of media upload. So you can choose any one, does not really matter. All you have to do is select the picture that you want to send. So select the picture from your gallery, then tap on the click button. After you've done that, you can then make edits to it if you want, like this. You can add stickers like on normal snaps. And then finally, you can tap on the send button. Then you can send it to whomever you want. Then finally, tap on the send button. And there you can see it is now sent as a snap and not as chat. And that's how you send camera roll pictures as a snap on Snapchat. And it's that simple, guys, and that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Again, if this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and stay tuned for more.